Welcome friends. Topic of today's video is larynx. Larynx is an organ of phonation and respiration. If we draw a schematic diagram of larynx, this is the thyroid cartilage which forms the larynx, which you will see later on. This is the cricoid cartilage. This is the epiglottis extending above the thyroid cartilage. So the larynx extends from the upper border of this epiglottis to the lower border of the cricoid cartilage. This is the whole vertical extent of the larynx, from the upper border of the epiglottis to the lower border of the cricoid cartilage. Above, the laryngeal cavity communicates with the laryngopharynx. And below, the laryngeal cavity communicates with the trachea. In adults, the larynx extends from C3 to C6 cervical vertebra, and in children, it extends from C1 to C4 cervical vertebra. That shows that the larynx in children is at a higher level as compared to the adults. The thyroid cartilage lies at the level of C4 and C5 vertebra, and the cricoid cartilage lies at the level of the C6 cervical vertebra. The vertical height of the larynx in male is approximately 44 mm, and in females the vertical length is approximately 36 mm. This shows that males have a longer larynx as compared to females. Okay? Now the skeletal framework of the larynx. The skeletal framework of the larynx is formed by 9 cartilages which are interconnected by various joints, ligaments, membrane, and these cartilages move by various muscles. Okay? These 9 cartilages can again be divided into 2 types: unpaired and paired. Unpaired cartilages are 3 in number, which can be remembered by the mnemonic of ETC: E for epiglottis, T for thyroid cartilage, C for cricoid cartilage. These 3 are unpaired cartilages. The paired cartilages are 6 in number and can be remembered by the mnemonic of ACC. A cement company comes with the name of ACC. So A stands for arytenoid, C for corniculate, and another C is for cuneiform. Okay? Here the thyroid, cricoid, and the base of the arytenoid are hyaline cartilage, and rest of, that is the epiglottis, the vocal and the apex of the arytenoid, the corniculate, the cuneiform are all elastic cartilage. Okay, so we can say that all the cartilages of the larynx are made up of hyaline cartilage except the epiglottis, the vocal and the apex of the arytenoid, the corniculate and cuneiform, which are elastic cartilages. Now we will see each of these laryngeal cartilages in detail.